Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials. You have the Google Opinion Rewards app installed, and you're signed into the same Google account you use to buy apps or subscriptions. Open the app to check your rewards balance so you know what's available. Sometimes small balances won't cover an entire purchase. Next, begin the purchase in Play Store or an app, and when prompted to pay, choose Google Pay. The rewards balance shows as an option. Once selected, proceed to the next step. Once you've chosen Google Pay at checkout, you'll see the rewards balance displayed below any saved cards. Select it to apply funds. If the rewards don't fully cover the purchase, Google automatically charges the remainder to your default card. Make sure that card has funds or a valid billing address. If you need to change which card pays the difference, tap Payment Methods and Reorder Cards before confirming. Make sure to confirm the final amount, then authorize the purchase to complete payment. You finish by verifying the transaction in your Play Store order history and email receipt to ensure the rewards amount was applied. This confirms the split between rewards and your card. If the credit wasn't used, try redoing the checkout. Sometimes switching to Google Pay then back forces the balance to apply. If that fails, contact Google Play support with the order ID. Finally, keep the rewards app updated and complete more surveys so you have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.